Okay, I wake up in the morning, bounce my ass, and then I cook some food.
Then I go outside and bounce my ass from a good looking dude.
Bounce my ass in public, bounce my ass up in the lunch line, even bounce my ass up in the office when it's crunch time. Yeah, bounce my ass when I get drunk and bounce it till get sober.
And you know I'm bouncing ass from all the homies
Coming over, I'll bounce with my friends and I bounce it on my enemies. The other day I bounced my ass so hard I got an injury. Bounce my ass so hard and sometimes they get me in trouble. The other day I bounced my ass so hard I pulled a muscle. Got booty bouncing champion and I'ma keep on grinding for it. Other day I bounced my ass so hard I
I told my spinal cord.